Smoking it. Whoa, and it's gonna taste good too.
Have you ever had one of those times where you thought you were recording, but you weren't? And I'm not talking about just a few minutes. I'm talking about the whole day. Yeah, that's what I did. What was I thinking? Apparently not a lot. Here is what I do have. Does this look like the best sushi restaurant in Japan? Just a 10-minute walk from Hakata Station is one of the best restaurants you'll ever find. This is so cool. This is so cool. And don't worry if you don't speak Japanese. Just follow the directions on your phone. You'll find it. The moment I walked in, I knew this was special. Everyone looked relaxed and happy. The staff greeted guests with genuine smiles. And the restaurant was buzzing with energy. Behind the counter, flames shot up from the grill as the chef worked his magic. Then I saw it. The person sitting next to me ordered the most incredible sushi platter I've ever seen, and I knew I had to have one too. When it arrived, I couldn't believe my eyes. It looked like a mountain of fresh sushi and cold smoke pouring over the top like a volcano.
What great presentation.
Every level was stacked with beautiful, melt-in-your-mouth pieces of fish, just waiting to be eaten. I ordered a glass of wine. You know how the server pours. You're supposed to say, when, to stop them. Well, I decided to stay quiet, just to see what would happen. They kept pouring and pouring until the glass was completely full. You want me to be happy tonight, don't you? Oh, wow. Wow. Did you see that? Oh my gosh. And the wine, and he kept on pouring it. I've never had this happen before. The sushi was so good that I ended up ordering even more.
This is my favorite sushi restaurant.
By the time I couldn't fit another bite, I walked back to my hotel one happy traveler.
I like that. I like that a lot. Thank you.